The uneventful video. Well, that's been a shitter.
Oh, well.
Oh, well. Baz? Baz? Are you too?
Yeah. Go on, go on. It's only done 50 miles to a tank this.
50?
43.9.
We need to get diesel because I've only got 49 mile. We'll just go to
Diesel?
you know, petroleum's the one in. Have you got enough to get to Truro?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, there's your competition.
Disconnected.
Oh.
I'm just gonna slow you as it's a woman.
Come on, mate. Bloody helmet's just come undone. What the cruise on?
Mobile phone
That's not
1
good, it does.
connected.
My phone keeps connecting and disconnecting. Oh shit, look at the clouds, lads. I think it's worth going to Truro.
Bad, isn't it? Are you alright on that expensive bike?
Yeah.
I'm just on this little throwaway bike.
Get out of the lucky bag. Oh, it's not looking good, boy. I'll tell you that for free.
Oh, go to Newquay.
Just go to Newquay instead.
No, go on the left rather than the right. I just want to go home.
Well, it's bad all this way, isn't it? Maybe we should just go to that car park near the Jehovah's Witness place.
Say that again.
The car park near the tip near me.
Let's go there.
Yeah, I don't think Truro's looking too good, is it? Could come off at Pool
Pool Bend now, though.
Pool Bend, yeah. Up in it, Harry! Are you flat out?
Oh. It's not another 2000r. Going now. Too busy looking.
Oh, no way.
Oh, you're having a laugh.
Oh, no way. There's none over there either.
Let's go to that other petrol station.
What, near me?
No, the one there. Alright, do you want to go to that one?
Yeah, alright. Get me. Oops, bump. Looks pretty recent, that.
Oh, well.
What gear was you in then?
6.
Let's do a third gear.
What?
Do a third gear.
Mobile phone
Put my
1
bike inside.
disconnected.
Slow down.
Yeah, it's nearly at the rev limiter.
Alright.
Go on.
Third gear.
Oh, come up to me. Okay, are you in?
Mobile phone
Third.
1 connected.
Third.
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go. It shows the difference.
It's not really a fair comparison.
Hey, bet this is faster than that Kawasaki.
I bet it was. It
How
was.
much horsepower did that Kawasaki have?
Don't want to talk about it.
40 odd.
It was in its 60s. I think it was 67.
Ah, this has only got 40.
Yeah, but still, it feels like it's
44.
feels faster. Gotta get fuel first.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. When we get down there as well, I'll sort these connections out with my phone. No wonder you only got 50 miles to a tank if you can only put a tenner in. Alright.
How much now?
13, 14.
Let me
Yeah, I'll take it off you. That'll do.
Right, hello Jeffrey. No, we were going to go out, but it's shit, innit? Going home. Jeffrey! Come on, scratch all your dad's car.
Oh, let's get Ian.
Looking for what? Oh, when the... Yeah, I was going to say, I went there the other day with Evo.
You lazy.
Oh, look at the dog shaking.
Hello.
Oh, I'll see you in a bit. Then, innit? I still can't put my feet down.
Go, Baz.
Can't fair, boy.
I know, yeah. I don't know what it's going to be like in this car park. But
The bin, there's nothing in it, it's all gravel.
in this one here,
Yeah. I told you that. The actual road you drive on's tarmac, and then all the bays are gravel, and it's all flicked gravel all over.
this is where I brought her for a lesson and she was absolutely useless.
See what I mean? It's just gravel from
Yeah.
all the bays.
Yeah.
You're going the wrong way here.
I know, yeah. It's only wrong in the eyes of the law.
Oh, you can see it all flicking up.
What about that car park there?
Oh, it's open to the public, that though.
What's down there?
The tip.
Yeah, but is it just a tip or is there something else?
Go on, you go and I'll turn around. The car coming.
Good
Mobile
call.
phone 1 disconnected.
Shall I go down there?
Mobile phone 1 connected.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Well, I'll go down a dirt track.
Oh, there's nothing there, I don't think. Oh, shit.
Oh, Christ. Oh, there's a big hole there.
I know,
Baz,
yeah, it's back on now.
mine just turned itself off for no reason.
Look, see, look at this, it's pretty clean.
Yeah,
Pretty big, isn't it?
yeah.
Look, there's a camera right there.
Where? Oh, burnouts. Where's the camera, did you say?
Oh. Yeah, no.
Oh, there's a camera there. Yeah, you'd be alright doing a couple of laps.
Yeah, you don't run them. Can't believe you're in a car park here. Oh, right away, there's a massive empty car park
Where?
in Penzance.
Which
Our
one?
old solicitors.
Hey?
Our old solicitors. The only annoying thing, it'll have white lines on it.
Let's try it.
How about this, huh?
Your own little private one.
You could easily go in there, couldn't you?
Yeah.
I reckon that's big enough to get your elbow down.
Oh, Oh, it's a bloody pain in the backside, I tell you that.
And when you went off-roading her.
Yeah. I'm gutted I didn't get that on.
Oh, what about a park and ride, or is it locked?
Yeah, it's locked, isn't it? And plus it'll have cameras there. Well, that's been a shitter. Those bloody branches.
Look at my elbow down then.
Well, it's been a pretty shitty, uneventful video today, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that car park at the back of that, the range,
Yeah.
you'd only be able to come back on a Sunday or, you know, after like 4 or 5 o'clock.
Yeah. What's it up?
Well, it's dark after 5 o'clock, and Sunday's alright. As long as
Yeah,
the
but why would
weather's
it matter if
alright.
it was in the dark?
Well, it wouldn't, but I'm scared of the dark, aren't I?
Let me go for the Get me.
Get out of the way!
Your chain looks loose, boy.
Does it?
Flapping around like your mum.
Might have to give it a service. It's probably been about 1,500 miles since we've done it.
You should do it every 400 to 600. This is the other car park I thought of, but you have to get your bike under the barrier. Yeah.
This one here.
Should we go?
Let's have a look.
But that barrier comes all the way across.
What's it?
Oh, it's full of gravel, though.
Nah, no. What's that up there?
Like a staff car park, that's gravel. Oh, bump, watch this hill. Oh, you've got hill start.
Who are these? Alright? Alright, alright, alright.
Shitloads of them.
Alright? Alright, alright. Bloody hell, what's going on here? I recognise that Kawasaki at the back. Well, may as well say our goodbyes now. I'm sorry for the bloody rubbish video. Nothing's happened. The uneventful video. Oh, it has been a bit eventful. I've got these levers on today. Them ones.
How come you don't wear them leathers?
These are just for special occasion. You've got a hole in the shoulder.
Some big moss you've got.
I'm going to connect the phone to the bike when we get back.
You know what?
Connect the phone back to the bike.
What, undo it and do it again?
One
Yeah.
connected.
And then update the card later. Let me get a closer look at that car.
He's showing you them.
You think he's filming or something?
Sounded nice.
Oh,
What?
definitely didn't nearly bin it then.
Get a bit of a flat spot there, boy.
I am not surprised. It's bloody 3,000 miles on it. Yeah, it is a bit, isn't it? They're growing back. Might need some. Nah, it'll last the winter. Right, let's do this connections thing.
Hey, there's them chicken marks are lower on the left than the right.
On that?
Yeah.
Oh, it's because it's a new phone.
Mobile phone 1 connected.
That was easy enough, I think. Alright, that's it.